Let's walk through as if we were done, right? Because we are essentially done at this point, with one exception, and that's right here. That's the crossbody brace. Now, this kit comes with a new crossbody brace that cuts down and gives you a little bit of extra space here and clearance with your new pipes, which is really nice because fitment sometimes can be a bit of a hassle. So it's really nice to have that little bit of extra space so you install the new one. Just note, in this case, I'm not going to install it because I'm going to swap this out in just a second so you can get the sound comparison. But we'd have that back in place. But as we walk up, our lower clamps are good, our back box is on, our ball clamps are tight, which is great. We come back up here to the upper hanger, those E10s are in place, and then our nuts are tightened down here as well. And again, a quick reminder, you're very likely going to need new gaskets and maybe new nuts. Check the video description for those part numbers and you're good to go. So at this point, the car is able to be run. Now, don't drive it without the mid-body brace. We're not going to do that in this case. I just want to do the sound comparison. So what we want to jump into next, I want to give you a good sound comparison of what it sounds like here with the unresonated, and then we'll do the resonated, and then you're pretty much all done. All right, y'all, so one last quick pass here underneath in the finished state that I want you to see what that looks like. Everything is tight. All of our hangers are tight. Those 13 millimeters are tight all the way around. Our clamps are nice and snug here in the rear. As you can see, we have the new crossbody brace on and these snug down nicely. We've got good fitment. I have the hit the pipe test.